Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers on Friday announced Yaskawa America Inc. will invest some $180 million to expand its footprint in the Badger State, including a new location for its North American headquarters that will create more than 700 new jobs. The company plans to expand its current facility in Franklin, Wisconsin, about 15 miles southwest of Milwaukee, and a little more than 40 miles north of the company's current operations in Waukegan, Illinois. The project is expected to be completed in the next 8 to 10 years. Yaskawa is consolidating its Illinois and Wisconsin facilities into a new 800,000 square foot campus that will include the headquarters, training, and lab building, manufacturing, and packaging facilities, as well as robotics and semiconductor production operations. According to the company, it is experiencing significant growth driven by its robotics, motion control, AC drives, and solar inverter businesses. Yaskawa America makes industrial robots, motion control products, low and medium voltage AC drives, and solar inverters for several industries. The expansion will help the company begin making robots in Wisconsin that will be shipped directly to customers or integrated into production lines at the company's Ohio facility. The Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation is supporting the project with up to $18 million in performance-based enterprise zone tax credits, contingent upon the number of jobs created and the amount of capital investment during that period. The company's global parent, Yaskawa Electric Corporation, has been in business for some 110 years. The company has operated in the U.S. for nearly 60 years. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.